Have you ever thought about how much money you spend on laundry detergent each year? If you have, you're not alone. Laundry detergent is a necessary household item that can add up to significant costs over time. But what if you could save money by making your own detergent at home? Not only is it possible, but it's also easy, effective, and economical. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of making homemade powdered laundry detergent and show you how it can save you money. The benefits of homemade laundry detergent. Making your own laundry detergent has several benefits beyond just saving money. Here are a few reasons why you should consider making the switch. Cost-effective. Store-bought laundry detergents can be expensive, especially if you prefer premium brands. By making your own, you can significantly reduce your laundry costs. Eco-friendly. Homemade detergent often uses fewer chemicals and more natural ingredients, making it a better choice for the environment. You also reduce plastic waste by reusing containers. Customizable. You can tailor the detergent to suit your preferences, whether you need a stronger formula for heavily soiled clothes or a gentler one for delicate fabrics. Ingredients you'll need. To make your own powdered laundry detergent, you'll need a few simple ingredients, most of which are readily available at your local grocery store or online. 1. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate. This helps to clean and soften water. 2. Borax sodium borate, a natural mineral that boosts cleaning power and disinfects. 3. Bar soap, Fels naphtha, Castile, or any other soap. This acts as the primary cleaning agent. 4. Optional. Essential oils for fragrance, baking soda for extra cleaning power, and OxiClean for stain removal. Step-by-step instructions. Here's how you can make your own powdered laundry detergent. Grate the bar soap. Start by grating the bar soap using a cheese grater or food processor. The finer the soap, the easier it will dissolve in the wash. Mix the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of washing soda, 2 cups of borax, and the grated soap. If you're adding any optional ingredients, do so at this stage. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Store the detergent. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container to keep it dry. You can use an old laundry detergent container, a glass jar, or any other container with a lid. Use the detergent. For a standard load of laundry, use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the homemade detergent. For larger or heavily soiled loads, you might need a bit more. Tips for best results. To get the most out of your homemade laundry detergent, here are a few tips. Pre-treat stains. For tough stains, pre-treat the fabric by applying a small amount of the detergent directly to the stain and letting it sit for a few minutes before washing. Hot water. While homemade detergent works in cold water, it dissolves better in warm or hot water. Adjust your wash settings accordingly. Adjust for hard water. If you have hard water, consider adding a bit more washing soda to your mixture or using a water softener to improve the detergent's effectiveness. Cost comparison. Let's take a quick look at the cost savings. A batch of homemade detergent, using the quantities above, costs only a few dollars to make and can last for months, depending on your laundry frequency. In contrast, a commercial detergent of similar quantity and cleaning power can cost significantly more. Over a year, the savings add up, making homemade detergent a financially savvy choice. Making your own powdered laundry detergent is a simple and rewarding way to save money and reduce your environmental footprint. With just a few basic ingredients and a little bit of time, you can create a detergent that is effective, eco-friendly, and tailored to your needs. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself, both in your laundry and your wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.